That was happening to me a little bit. Actually, I could feel my beard was frozen. A little bit of a beard that I have. Alrighty, boys, this is a process. Starting the vehicle that won't start with the vehicle that will start.
Barely. Did you hear it start earlier?
This one?
Yeah.
I mean, it seemed to turn on.
Well, yeah, duh, but of course, why I love it, but it didn't. This dude knows nothing about vehicles. Never mind.
Listen.
It barely started. It was like, You know how to jump start a vehicle? You know what I'm saying?
I think so.
Is it good to touch these two together?
Probably not. I don't think so. Doesn't it just spark up when you do that?
Yeah. Probably could have pulled the truck forward a little more. Alright, now get in there and rev it up.
Okay.
Rev it up to like
2,000 RPM, boys. Oh shit, there's like fucking snow and shit on my phone.
Get warmer from that. Alright, let's see if you know what you're doing here.
I think I pressed the wrong thing already.
Brake pedals, come on, man.
Listen, I just fuck off. RPM. How do you know if it's at 2,000? Just when it goes to the 2?
Yes.
Okay.
That's 3. Hold it right there. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's good.
It's kind of hard to do that.
Right there. Hold it like right there. You don't have to keep. Just hold your foot steady. There you go.
Okay. Listen, guys. I'm not what. Okay. Can't tell if his is starting up at all. Oh god, did I do something wrong? Are we good?
You have fun?
Yeah, that was
There, now
interesting.
actually rev it up for real so you can get some satisfying footage. Okay. That's good.
That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Make sure I show off the Mountaineer here. Look at this boy.
Doesn't sound nearly as good.
No, it does not.
Well, let's listen to that rumble. You know, for a V6, it does have a nice little